We had to get Scott Wedgwood a game. We needed to give Mackenzie Blackwood a rest. The Avs did that, got the win, and here we are in Game 4 of the 5-game homestand as the Wild win the draw. Faber will steer it ahead off Zuccarello. Brought ahead by Minnesota. This is Bogosian. Finds his target. Wrapped in by Rossi. Hartman let it go to the point. Bogosian shot knocked down in front. Saved by Blackwood. Backhand try. Taken away by the Avs. Oh, Mackenzie Blackwood's into this game. First save of the afternoon. Tried to poke at it. Ogren comes up with it. I'm sorry, Freddie Goodrow. Wrapped to the point. Long wrist shot. Saved by Blackwood. And that one got through as Chisholm let it floss. The Avs overall did, especially that line. And here he comes again against his hometown team. Rink wide pass. Drouin gives it up for McCarr with a wrister. Knocked down in front. Who did it hit? Bogosian. It might have got him in the mouth. Lehkonen waits. Tried to go into the slot. It careens all the way to Middleton. And the slot redirected. Saved by Fleury. Good job there by Artturi Lehkonen. He loves between the circles. I don't know how you feel about it, but I found it very appealing.
No, I loved it. They just got to prove to build a brand new rink there, too.
Get it to Colton. There's a shot. Saved by Fleury. Got him in the upper body, and he juggled it. Up top, McCarr. Long shot. That hit a leg. Right down to the low slot again. Big Zach Bogosian standing down there. Quick shot. Save Fleury. And we'll finally get a whistle. Sent up by Trent into the point. Scooped up and out by the Wild, and Drouin couldn't hang on. Bumped ahead. Ogren feeds it up top. Wrist shot. Score! Jake Middleton let it go. The Wild had a player parked right down there at the top of the crease, but I think this one off his skate, it will be Middleton's goal. If it is, it'll be his 7th of the year.
National Hockey League game. That's 28 right there. Throws the pass out from the far side, and this had to be deflected. Or did it just have eyeballs and slide all the way through? There were bodies in front. Oh, look at that. Blackwood can't see anything.
Oh, it's off his left pad down to the ice and underneath him.
But completely screened in front on the battle between Manson and the Wild player. And as you've seen on that last replay, Blackwood can see nothing.
Absolutely. This is his 14th game. Rantanen in front. That puck knocked free. Backhand shot saved by Fleury. Cycles it off. Here's McKinnon in the corner. Off the boards with it. Not out. Bogosian's long shot. Faber. Walker high and over the net. Faber collects. Zuccarello long wrister again. Puck knocked down. And it's in Mackenzie Blackwood's gear. Rattard off the glass. Knocked down by Chisholm. Good play for the 24-year-old. Across one-timer. That missed. And there was a lot on that one. Out of the box, Middleton. Another shot, and that hit Eriksson Ek in the backside of neck. Had his back turned. And it caught it right off the pants.
Yeah, and that last shot that missed the net, almost 91 miles an hour. But great kill overall by the Avs.
It was a bomb. No shots on goal officially on that power play, so the PK did a great job. Rantanen. Now McKinnon up the middle. Uzdinov sends it to his goalie, and Fleury has no choice. From Minnesota, Zuccarello shot, snuffed. Sent down deep, kick save, Boldy walks in, shoots, saved by Blackwood. High rising, he had to raise that shoulder. Cut him off. Not a whole lot on that one. Manson has some room now. Oh, he lost the handle, turnaround opportunity, save, rebound shot. Oh my God, what a save by Mackenzie Blackwood.
And then here's the backdoor pass, here, check. Oh my word, that is something so spectacular. We seen it coming from up here, Moj.
Wild win the draw, pulled back from Middleton, and out of the box is Colton. So the Avs 2 for 2 on the kill so far here today. The Avs have not had a power play yet. Chase up Bogosian. Put down deep by O'Connor, but Kiviranta had vacated the trapezoid. That puck rolls free, and it got to Fleury off his toe. Sent off. Rossi delivered down deep, and that's a nice play by Minnesota. Blackwood right there with that right pad.
Yeah, that was a set play. Lucky the Wild didn't pull that off.
Zuccarello to Faber. Long wrister. Save. Rebound. Over skated by the Wild. Zuccarello gives it back in the slot. Oh my goodness! What a save by Mackenzie Blackwood. He did it with the pad. Now he does it with the glove hand. That was absolutely brilliant.
Where they need to be. And then here, falling on his back. Out to the front.
In front. And good stick work there by Logan O'Connor. Under 10 to go. Long shot. Another save by Blackwood with the right pad. Now, the Avs are not functioning the way they want to. That's what happens. Here's Colton with a shot. Save Fleury. Colton had to put it to the forehand. He couldn't get a lot on it. Puck down. Picked up top. Makar is hovering. Has it back now. Makar shoots. Glove save Fleury. He'll hold on. Back down the boards. Rantanen. High slot Drouin. McKinnon one-timer. Saved by Fleury. Drouin didn't shoot it. He gave it back to Makar. Maybe had a chance for a one-timer there. Here's Makar looking in. Shoots. Glove saved by Fleury again. That's twice. On the near side and careened over the top of the Avs net. Not out. Middleton to the dot. Walks in. Shoots. Saved by Blackwood. Oh my goodness. Jake Middleton had a one-way ticket.
Gave him nothing but the far left-hand post as he comes in. You're right. Nobody touches him. But good job not allowing the backdoor pass. And as Middleton blazes in, looking for his second of the day. Blackwood almost baits him to take that far side. Look at the far side. See what's kind of open? And then all of a sudden, it's not.
Picked up now by Kelly. Avs need to find themselves in just a good, solid cycle here. Long shot there. Saved by Fleury. Rossi rips it up top. Long wrist shot. Knocked down, and the Avs will carry it ahead. McKinnon has Drouin with him. McKinnon's on side and trying to shed everybody. Sends it across. Girard back to McKinnon down the slot. Shot! Nathan McKinnon. Oh my goodness!
And then hockey royalty. What a play by McKinnon. Enters the zone, drops the puck, gets it back on a give and go, and then a quick dangle, marks that back in the net. Oh my goodness! Look at the puck. He's jacked up. He knows how good it is. Look at him just around that stick in the reach out into the back of the net. On a whole point streak. That would come out.
Could have been 41.
Probably should have been. We all remember the assist that never was.
Oh, here we go. Puck is down.
Should have been.
Sends that one up the boards to Zuccarello. Trying to get free. Turnaround shot. Missed everything. Blackwood is right down on the ice. Jiricek, a stick handling move. Gave it up. Shot scored. What a shot by Boldy. Trennan. Rips it past Blackwood through a screen, and the Wild have taken a 2-1 lead.
Used 4 draft picks and a player for Jiricek. He was the 6th overall pick by the Columbus Blue Jackets in 2022, and he makes this entire play happen. Are you kidding me, Moji? Comes in from the point, dangles Manson, finds Trennan, who snipes it. But the goal is secondary. The move by Jiricek, the young 21-year-old, that's...
Parson will scoot it in. So right back the other way. That's just a play where the Avs have to get that puck deep. Faber down the slot, shoots and scores. Brock Faber rips it home. Excellent transition by the Wild has taken them to a 3-1 lead.
He tries to get the puck deep, but he just whiffs on his duck. He's going all the way to the corner is what he wants. All of a sudden you have a turnover at the blue line, transition. Then you got a young rock star, Brock Faber, parting of the blue seas, comes in and absolutely snipes it under the bar. But it's those little errors. Parson has been one of probably 20 in this game of little tiny plays the Avs have not.
Avs forced the turnover there. O'Connor down the wing. O'Connor walks in, backhand shot. What a save by Fleury. That's his best of the game. Wrist shot wide. Here's McKinnon. Trying to get away from Bogosian. Bottom of the circle, McKinnon gives up shot off the post. Brandon just hit the iron. Point blank, oh man. Avs just off the power play, and Mikko Rantanen had a golden opportunity to hit the iron. Rantanen to McKinnon. Daves back to McKinnon. Cross ice pass, broken up, sent all the way down, and that's going to hit the post. Thought it was in.
How many posts have we seen here tonight? About 6.
Plenty. Sent in by McKinnon. All over but the shot now, all the way around. 10 seconds to go. So the two teams will even up the season series with a win apiece as Rantanen and Middleton have words before the end of this game, and Middleton faked the shot. Rantanen going to meet him, top of the circles.